Discover elegance and magic at Disney's Swan Reserve. Join Travel with a Flair for an exclusive suite tour. Hello everybody, today we are going to do a signature suite at the Swan Reserve room tour with an EPCOT view. This is my favorite hotel at Walt Disney World to stay at. The Swan and Dolphin are considered deluxe Disney properties. They're right over in the EPCOT neighborhood. You can see EPCOT from this room. But you also earn Marriott Bonvoy points, which I love because I do love coming to Disney, but I travel other places, so I like my points to maximize and stretch. These rooms are extremely spacious. This is a pull-out sleeper couch with floor-to-ceiling windows. We're going to head into the bedroom. There is dual room control, so the living room can be a completely different temperature from the bedroom, which is great if you have people sleeping out there. I'm going to give you a little bit of a night view. It's hard to see with all the lights on when I'm doing the tour, but you can see the EPCOT globe over there glowing all beautiful. Looks way bigger in person, and I'm going to show you a daytime view at the end of this video, so don't forget to check that out. One of the things I really love about these rooms is the bathroom. It's open and spacious, and it's accessible from both the bedroom and the public area, which is fantastic. If you are needing help booking your next Disney trip, make sure you give us a call and check out my free travel savings guide down below on how you can maximize your savings when you travel. This room is one of my favorites. We stay in this almost every single time we come down to Disney. You can request extra linens and stuff in the app. The app's super friendly. It has a microwave and mini fridge. Absolutely love this. It also has minivans, it has boat transportation, and their own bus. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments section if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.